Well, day 2 of quarantine in Norway, and I'm sitting out here breathing in the fresh air, like seriously. It's coming up to fall. It's still summer, it's still pretty hot, but the farms around here are bringing in all of their produce and everything, and the smell is just wonderful. Anyway, the reason I'm here, which on YouTube we haven't really told anybody, is that, so full exclusive here now, because in February we might be 30. Yes. In here there is a little someone, and due to special circumstances around healthcare and travel insurance and being out of the country for too long, I had to go back to Norway. That's the short story. And the long one will come in our normal weekly or bi-weekly videos. And yeah, so that's the short one. So kind of forces Cody and I to be apart, which it kind of sucks. And it's pretty, like, we don't really know what's going on or when we get to see each other again, but we are doing everything we can so at least he can be in Norway for the birth of his child. I still haven't had any ultrasound, the doctor's appointment. I'm pretty excited about that. Need to do my full quarantine here, and then I'm going to do that, and then we'll see what it is in here. What do you think it is? Boy or girl? Cody is set on a boy because he thinks he can't say no to a blonde, curly-headed, blue-eyed girl. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, if you haven't already, and if you're new here, click the subscribe button to our channel to make sure you get any updates that we come up with now. I'll have a lot more time to do editing. So good night.